If you ever hunted in the swamp, you know what it's like to trip and fall. Slide your barrel right into cotton picking mud, and there you are, you're screwed. Well, Raiseek sent me this little snake bore kit to try out. And we're going to try it out right now. Let me unload the gun first. First thing you always did when you were back in the woods is cut a little nad, clean out the barrel, and hopefully you get everything out of it. And that is not the right way to do it. Alright, so since I'm using a semi-auto, yeah, I got my deer dog back here with me. We're just behind the house. Raiseek sent me this little snake bore kit, and I love their handy dandy little plastic carrying pouch. If any of you guys ever have a snake bore, this is for a .30 caliber. If you ever have one, you know if you carry it in your pocket, all the little brass bristles get on the stick to everything. So you always got to put it in a plastic bag or have some little something in there so the bristles, like right now, it's already sticking to the snake. So they solved that problem. So now, if I can get it in there, and I wish they would have had these boar snakes out years ago when I was a kid hunting, because back when I was 16 it was run and gun, and I don't know how many times I tripped and fell. Because if you're way back in the woods, you surely don't want to fire this gun without having it clean. And the snake bore just took everything right out of that barrel. Right out. So this little boar snake goes with me on every single deer hunt I do now. And they make them for all different calibers too. I'm going to run it through twice just to be on the safe side. Now this does fit right in this case too. The brass end, if you want it, you can put it right in here. Pull it down to this side and you can pull it through. Thanks, Raiseek. This is a lifesaver. Anyone who has ever deer hunted before, you've been in my predicament. Get yourself one of these from Raiseek. You won't regret it. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going down, son of a biscuit. Son of a biscuit. Ah, jeez, I thought there was a tree behind me. Dirty dog. That's not how this video was supposed to start.